Hey, what's up IG Garage family? Imagine this. You're driving down the road, everything seems fine, but suddenly, you notice your car struggling to maintain speed. The check engine light flashes on, you grab your OBDII scanner and bam, P0003 shows up. Now, if left unresolved, this code can lead to major fuel system issues and poor performance. But don't worry, in today's video, I'll break down what this code means, show you exactly where to find the problem and how you can fix it. Stick around, you don't want to miss this. Alright, so P0003 stands for Fuel Volume Regulator Control Circuit Low. What does that mean for your car? It basically indicates that there's a problem with the fuel volume control regulator, and the engine control unit, ECU, is seeing a low voltage signal. This could affect the way fuel is delivered to your engine, which can mess with performance and fuel efficiency. Now let's talk about location. This is super important. The fuel volume regulator is typically located on or near the high-pressure fuel pump, which is often found close to the fuel rail. Depending on your car model, it might be under the hood, on the engine, or near the fuel tank. Here it is. This small component is responsible for regulating the amount of fuel that enters your fuel rail, controlling how much fuel goes into your engine at any given time. If the wiring is damaged or the regulator itself is faulty, that's when you'll see the P0003 code. So, how do you know this is your issue? Common symptoms include poor acceleration, rough idling, and a noticeable drop in fuel efficiency. In severe cases, your car might even go into limp mode. If you've got any of these signs, it's time to check out that fuel volume control regulator. To fix this, start by inspecting the wiring and connectors to the fuel volume control regulator. Look for any signs of corrosion, loose wires, or damage. If the wiring looks good, you'll want to test the regulator itself to ensure it's functioning properly. If the regulator is faulty, go ahead and replace it. Once it's swapped out, use your OBDII scanner to clear the code and take your car for a test drive to make sure everything is back to normal. And that's how you fix a P0003 code and get your fuel system back in shape. If this video helped you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to IG Garage for more car repair tips. And before you go, check out these two videos to keep learning. First, watch our video on P0087, where we cover low fuel rail pressure issues, and don't miss our P0001 video on fuel volume regulator circuit malfunction. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.